welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. This is a super exciting video this week because Zach and I actually found the cutest townhouse ever and we're finally moving in together next month. Yay! I feel like we both worked super hard to get to this point, so just feeling super excited and grateful and excited to also just like share this with you guys. So we were stopping by to take some measurements for furniture and I thought it'd be fun to do like an empty house tour. So that's what we're doing in today's video. I'm also going to take you guys along to shop for furniture, go thrifting for decor, and do some Facebook Marketplace pickups. So let's just get into the video. We're home! Welcome to our new house. Wowie. We're stopping by today because we need to measure a lot of things and I wanted to do a little mini empty house tour because you guys haven't seen it. We move in like a little over a month and we're really excited. This is our first time moving in together. Say hi, Pookie. He's behind the camera. Oh God. Jump scare. There's probably gonna be a really bad echo in here, but it's okay. Anyways, when you walk in, this is the living room. Tons of open space. And then we come this way and here's our beautiful kitchen with beautiful black countertops. I love these. And then you come this way.
It's so small.
No. Oh. And then we have our pantry. So much space.
Go in there.
No, I have claustrophobia. Please don't do that. Okay. Oh, I forgot to show you up here. We have this nice long wall. We actually bought our first piece of furniture already from Facebook Marketplace. That's these like vintage IKEA shelves that are gonna go right here. I'll insert a picture. It's gonna be really fire. Boop. And then right here is just like a little entry closet, or like a coat closet technically, but this is a 2-story house. I've never lived in a 2-story before. Zach has, but I haven't, and so I'm really excited. It's 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, so this is the half bath down here. Nothing too special. Wow, and then there's like a mirror back here. Hey!
Hi.
Cute. And then you come right here, and we have a 2-car garage. What? Yeah, I guess we can go in here. I'll give you guys a peek. It's really hot in there because it's like 90 degrees today. Here's the garage. Ooh. Wow. Okay, so that's the downstairs. And then we have our stairway. Let's go up, come on. And I love these little lights on the stairwell. Okay, this is like the loft kind of area. What would you call it? Just like the hallway and the loft. Beautiful. Carl's gonna love it right here. He loves climbing. We got 3 bedrooms because we each wanted an office because we both work from home. So these 2 are gonna be the offices. This is gonna be Zach's office. Wow. And then he has another closet. Beautiful. But wait till you see my office.
This is totally unfair.
No, he gave me this, okay?
Oh,
Because I said he could have the master bedroom closet if I get this. So this is my office. I literally can't wait to decorate it. It's gonna be like the best room ever. Guys, you're gonna die. It has a freaking walk-in closet.
What?
What? Yep, this is gonna be all mine and I can't wait. Zach's gonna have the master bedroom closet for his stuff. I'll put most of my stuff in here. Hopefully it fits. But I'm also planning on putting like clothing racks here and like racks for my shoes and like a couch. It's gonna be really cool in here. I'm really excited to decorate it. Moving on. Come on, come on. You go across the hallway. We have the bathroom here, the guest bathroom here technically, but it has 2 sinks. Like it has the double sink, which I love. And then it's got the giant tub. Wowza. Across here, there's just more storage. Linen closet here, and then this is just an extra storage closet.
This is where Adrienne goes if she's bad.
Stop! Stop! And then I'm really excited about this too. We have like a full laundry room. Right now in my apartment, I just have like a laundry closet. So this is really exciting for me. Lots of storage up there. Now let's see the master bedroom right next door. Oh my goodness. It's huge. It's literally huge. It's crazy. We don't really have plans for the bedroom yet, honestly. Across is the master bath, which I love. Oh, it's beautiful. Isn't it? I love the little window in the shower. It's so cute. And then there's just like the water closet across. Okay, and then we have the master closet. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I'm getting over being sick. Okay, maybe you could share this too because look how huge it is. Guys, this is like the size of my bedroom now. I think that's it for the tour. Now we're gonna measure every inch of the house to buy some furniture. Thanks for coming along. Hey guys, today we're doing some furniture shopping and doing some Facebook Marketplace pickups. First we're at this place called Copenhagen Designs or Copenhagen Imports or something.
Inserts.
Inserts. But we really liked a couch from here, and so we're gonna see if they have it and cross our fingers that we like it. So let's go. It's really fancy, so fit check. Look at that. Yeah, this place is like totally our vibe. Oh, you know what I like? That lamp right there. Ooh, that couch is nice. I do like that lamp. It's probably really expensive though. Ooh. Yeah, we're looking for one that like reclines and then like an accent chair and a coffee table. So I like it. It's on the side there. Yeah. Fancy. It's like really slow. This is the one that we were wanting. Yeah, we loved this one. It's so comfortable, and like I like that it has like legs on it, and then it like comes up higher in the back, and then it reclines, and then the back headrests come up too. That's crazy. Oh god. Oh my god, Zachary. Oh, this is cool. The back.
Yeah.
Our living room's just really like narrow, I feel like. That's cool. It's kind of like the one you just showed me.
Yeah.
The vases.
Yeah. Love this design.
Look at this.
That'd be a good size for the chair if you want to get it.
Ooh. It's comfy.
See, that's what I really want.
I like it.
Whatever.
Oh, this is the sectional version.
Yeah, it's freaking nice. I like these pillows a lot.
Oh, yeah, it's like really far back. Everything's so cool in here. Love the vibes. This place is huge. I don't think we're gonna have time to look at everything. We're sitting in it one more time before we commit. I like it. Okay, I think we're gonna commit to that couch, but we're gonna wait until it's closer to our move-in date to purchase. I really liked it, babe.
Me too. I'll have to,
I'm glad we found one. Why is it so hard to find a couch / furniture in general?
I think the big thing for me is because I'm a bigger boy.
Yeah.
And I wanted, it's dumb, but like I wanted one that was low profile,
Yeah.
but still like was tall enough to support me.
Okay, well, I'm glad you found one. Hi, Vloggy. Sorry, you're gonna turn right up here, and then it'll be on the left wherever you could find parking. I just had a meeting with a super cool new thrift store in Scottsdale, but not just any thrift store. It was really cool in there, and the owners were super nice, and I'm gonna be making a lot of content for them, so stay tuned for that. But now we're heading to this really cool furniture store at the Scottsdale Quarter, and it's called Design Within Reach. There was this like really cool bookshelf that we wanted there, so I hope they have it. Let's go, Pookie.
Let's go.
Thanks.
Chair up there. You go upstairs first.
Yeah.
Cool,
Cute.
like, chair.
We want one of these so bad, but like this is like the real thing. Oh, I love that. Oh, so cute.
With the wood bed to match the dresser.
I like those little nightstands. There it is. That's the one we wanted.
We have black or white, but maybe black would be good.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's so cool.
I could like turn them though.
No? Look at this view. So beautiful. Oh, I thought it was 200.
Oh.
Oh shit.
But it's nice because I think the difference is this one's metal.
Oh
The other ones
yeah.
were like plastic.
Like the fake ones. I love like this color scheme for the bedroom, honestly. This rug is really cool, and like the lantern light, like that's really cool. Look at the like coat hanging thing back there.
That's
I love
really
that.
cute.
I'll take a picture of this for inspo.
Yeah, I really like the bed.
Me too. Probably a lot. Yeah, that'd be really cool in our room.
Yeah.
So I just like love the vibe. I love the wood mixed with the black. And this like big ass lantern. Ooh, cute. Yeah, this is like the one we were looking at.
You get a chair like this for
Yeah.
just the living room.
Mm-hmm.
This is actually, that's crazy. Herman Miller, that's like the actual designer. I saw like dupes of this on Facebook for
Really?
like a couple $100.
You know what I like? This book holder thing. That's really cool. I don't know where we'd put it, but I love these lanterns so much. Guys, we're in the bathroom, but we literally just bought these on Facebook Marketplace, and they're in the one store.
Crazy.
The store's so cute. This is so exciting. We finally have our own place together. This is a question for you guys. I want you to see if you can guess how long Zach and I have been together. I feel like no one will get it right. A hint is that we've been together since high school, and another hint is that it's been a long time, so see if you can guess. Anyways, I literally want like everything in here. It's so cute. Look at this wall. How cool is that? Such a vibe. I'm scared I would fall over if I tried that. It's really weird. Super cute. Okay guys, I don't know what the frick happened to my audio here, so sorry about that, but we are now on our way to East Mesa, which we were in Scottsdale, so it's pretty far out here, but we found a super cool mirror on Facebook Marketplace that we're going to pick up. We've been looking a ton on Facebook Marketplace for a lot of things to buy secondhand. Also, I realized I never really showed you guys like the vibe we're going for our decor, so here's some inspo pics that we've saved. Definitely love like mid-century modern stuff, and we also want to add pops of color with the decor. So there's that. Anyways, pretty much the only thing we want to buy new is like a bed and a couch. So definitely checking Facebook Marketplace all the time for the good deals. We found this really cool grid mirror that's originally from Z Gallery. We got a really good deal on it. I believe we only paid $70, and mirrors on that website are going for like $600 to $700 right now. So kind of insane. A tip I have for Facebook Marketplace is to look in the rich areas of town. That's where we've been finding the best stuff lately. So here we are. I think this is going to go somewhere downstairs. We haven't really decided yet. We just thought it was really cool and it could really go anywhere, so we just thought we would get it. Here is Zach putting it in the car. That thing was so heavy. He had to carry it all by himself. Sorry about that. I'm just a girl. After this, we're heading back to Scottsdale, going to another thrift store, and then doing another Facebook Marketplace pickup tonight for some side tables. So let's go. Okay, next stop. Where are we, baby? What is this place called? Turnstile Consignment. We're here for furniture and knickknacks, but it looks like they have clothes, so let's see what they got. Oh my god.
Oh, today. So.
Oh, cute. Well, you know where I'm heading. This is cutie. Look at that.
It's like metal too.
Oh, look at this, baby. Yeah, I like it. We're wanting a chrome lamp like that. There's tons of wall art. Oh, I like that. That's pretty cool. The cats.
I love that.
This place is so cute. Let's head to the knickknacks. Look at this shoe. Oh, should we get that?
Yeah. That's cool.
I love it.
Or that's you, that's me, that's cool.
Okay.
Boomerang.
Oh, what is this for?
I think it goes like this. Oh, I guess it hangs on the wall. How does that work? Because you wouldn't be able to put wine in like it. I guess you. Who knows?
I don't know. That's cool.
I want like stuff like this that's like, we need some color. Right?
Yeah, we need some pops of color. It's you. We found something. A metal dish. Don't really know what we're gonna use it for, but
It could be cool like on the island, put stuff in there. Do you like it?
I do.
Hold on to it.
Okay,
There's
the
like-
vintage coach.
That'd be such a
She's
vibe.
cute.
Union Burns is kind of crazy too.
Oh, I love that. I love stuff. Oh no, we found something that's not furniture. It's so cool.
And I think everything's on sale. Like,
Oh yeah, I forgot.
everything's like 30%.
I like this bag.
This one's cool too.
Ooh, we got designer stuff in here. The Saint Laurent heels. Got stuff. Oops. We came to look at home stuff,
At least
but
one thing's for home.
yeah, one thing's for the house, but they just had some good stuff, so I couldn't resist. Look at this beautiful sunset. Wow. Yippee! I got 3 things. Let's do a haul. Okay, quick haul. Ah! I got this really cool bag. It's only $16. Everything was 30% off. I love it. I got this Urban Outfitters top. It was like $9 or something. Very cute. She's cute, she's cute. And then we got that little tray thing. Very much the vibe that we're going for. Love the chrome. We could probably put like fruits in there. We could put it on our shelf. We could put something. Anyways, that's my haul.
Wear it as a hat?
Wear it as a hat? No, that's my haul. Now we're on our way to pick up the side tables and then we'll call it a day. That was fun. Yippee.